This is Extreme Railfan, Redwood Empire Corporation CEO, coming to you live from home base with an updated announcement. So our new rules are now, we're only doing donors for right now on the Amtrak Lounge Car if we buy it. That way we can get the donors through first, easier to get them through before we do the public. And then the announcement is we're going for 2 cars, Amtrak Lounge Car and Power Car Thunder Bay. We need you to help donate to the Zeffy today so we can make that happen, get both cars here by this fall. That way we can get inside to start working on the Amtrak Lounge Car. It's going to take us a couple months to get it ready before the Laro event and Railroad Day, so that way we have it at least somewhat decent to be ready for showing. And we need your help, guys. Make sure to check the community tab for the Zeffy link and all the other stuff, and please help us out get both of these cars here this year, because we need to raise $135,000 for the car. So please help us. We won't give out the location where the cars are. I know where they are, but I'm not going to say. And we need your help. Come on, folks. Please donate today. Without you, the Railfan community, we can't do this. And 2926 desperately needs cars to run with.